black one supposed to hot, this red one supposed to not hot, and this white one. So we're good. Hot, hot, good, good. Alright. So this right here is for our range hood, so it's supposed to hot all the time. See that? So we're good there, so ready to connect up that when we get it. Yeah, everybody, so as you can see, they do some electrical work inside here, so that take up like 2 hours or 2.5 hours of my morning. So that cut me day kind of short right about now, but me I'll prime out the closet because yesterday run out of paint, run out of the primer, so I get some this morning, so I'm gonna prime out the closet now and then put on the semi-glass on the wall, and hopefully by that the primer dry in the closet, so we can just paint that out today and finish with the room. Alright, so basically we do want to take off the tile off of the bathroom wall today. We do it over, but we need a jackhammer, so we just wait until Saturday when we get the jackhammer, then we just dig them off, replace them, and then we're gonna paint the whole tile them white. It's gonna look really nice. So just hurry up on the bedroom right now and finish it up today. So basically we just have to focus on the bathroom and the closet doors them tomorrow. Alright, so let's get to it. Yeah, people, so we clean up all the closet door them and everything. See them there? So we are priming all of these now on the shelves there too. Doors, prime all of these and those shelves as well. So prime all of them and then we paint them with the semi-glass tomorrow. As you can see, all of them lean up, some just are paint today. Prime all of these today and tomorrow we paint them with semi-glass. Alright, so finish prime the closet finally and the room finish prime. So tomorrow we are going to paint the semi-glass on the walls, on the closet doors and on the shelf. Alright, and we're going to see if we can put all these back in tomorrow. And then we are actually take on the bathroom on Saturday, since I'm not going to get the jackhammer until Saturday. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and paint these now. Everybody, so prime all the closet, that finish, prime all the shelves, all the closet doors and everything primed. Tomorrow we're gonna put semi-glass on those and paint them. So this spot, put some plaster here. See a little edge that I didn't like, so I plaster that. I'm gonna sand that off and paint tomorrow. And we're gonna put the semi-glass on the room as well. So as you can see here, see another spot here where I touch with plaster, and here is the spot that I cut out to fix the to get the electrical wire through. So that have plaster, we're gonna sand that down and paint it. Gonna put back the medicine cabinet here and a light as well. So the electrical take up a lot of my time this morning. It was pretty rough trying to get the wires and everything through to the panel and everything. So we got that done. So basically the range hood can go on over the stove when we put it back. So this is the connection for that. So we get it through. So that's what took up most of my time this morning. Try to have to find the best way to do it so I don't mess up the wall that I just fixed. So don't want to have that headache. Alright, but now I'm gonna pack up my tools and everything. So that's it for the day. Thank you for watching. If it's the first time here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, turn on the notification bell to get notified when we have another upload on our channel. Alright, and if you're a regular viewer, thank you for watching, thank you for your support and everything. Alright, so I'm gonna hit the road now, guys. Peace.